Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Light and Motion Stella Video Light. So this is very similar to the rest of their range, very quick and easy to get used to and use. It's got a few different mounting options. It starts off with a YS mount. This comes fitted with it in the box, and then you can fit that sort of standard 1/4x20 sort of screw thread, so you can mount it wherever you want. The YS mount just means that you can pivot it, but you can take that off and fit different types of mounts as you can the rest of the sort of Light and Motion sort of range. So quick and easy to use. You've got this sort of magnetic toggle switch on the top. This is how you sort of activate and change the settings on the light. And you can turn that 90 degrees. That's a locking mechanism, so that's really handy for traveling and storage, so it doesn't accidentally switch on and sort of burn itself out. So spring-loaded, you kind of flick it up and that's going to activate the torch and blind me. So this has a maximum power of 2500 lumens. So as you flick that up, that's just going to sort of dial it up and up until it's really bright. And as you can see, it's an even white light. So this is a floodlight. It's kind of illuminating the entire scene, and there aren't really any hot spots or sort of hard edges. So that's great for both photos. I'm just going to switch this down because it's really bright. So it's great for photos and videos. So it just casts that sort of even light sort of all over the scene. And as you can see, as you keep going, you can sort of dial it down. Pressing it down for 2 seconds will switch it off. So you can sort of control the amount of light. If you don't want it too bright or sort of oppressive, then you can sort of dial it down. That increases the battery life. So what you also get with it, you get a lot of other bits and bobs with it. You also get this little focus ring that just quickly sort of clips on the front. You've got a little sort of lanyard leash that you can clip it off onto this D-ring on the bottom just to keep it safe. And that just acts to focus it into a bit more of a spotlight, but still it's nice and even and there are no sort of hard edges or hot spots. So that just allows you, if you want to sort of focus your light in a certain place, you can do that. During the dive, if you want to change it, you can just pull that off and then you get that wide, in the air it's about 120 degrees, underwater I believe it's about 90 degree sort of wide angle flood lens. So what you also get with it is obviously it's rechargeable sort of through the housings. You get a power charger unit. That's real easy. You literally just push it in and then it charges. You also get all the different sort of charges, all the different regional chargers, so you can charge it up wherever you're going. And you also get a cold shoe mount and this sort of 1/4x20 sort of standard camera mount. So nice, compact, pretty powerful little sort of camera video light. The entire Light and Motion sort of range is always a kind of strong contender because they're factory sealed. You never have to worry about sort of O-rings or taking batteries out and swapping them over. You just charge it sort of in as it is. And because you've got all those different sort of mounting options, it makes it really, really sort of customizable. And yeah, it's easy to use with the with that sort of flick switch. Even if you're wearing big clunky gloves, you can sort of swap and change the modes really easily. So that is the Light and Motion Stella. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see more of the newest scuba kit, hit that bell icon to see more in your inbox. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.